We are pleased to show you the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, fog lamps, skid plates, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system, console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.